If you think humans have good eyesight, think again. This bird doesn't just see better, it sees faster than any animal on Earth. Today, we're diving into the supervision of the peregrine falcon, the world record holder in speed, precision, and sensory evolution. During a hunting dive, a peregrine falcon drops from the sky at more than 320 kilometers per hour. At that speed, most animals, including us, would see only a blurry streak, but not the falcon. Its eyes process movement so fast, it's like watching the world in slow motion. The secret is something called flicker fusion rate. How many frames the eye can process per second before it becomes a blur. Humans? We top out at around 60 to 70. Peregrine falcons? They can detect changes up to 150 frames per second or more. That means they literally see reality twice as fast as we do. Humans have one fovea in each eye, the region that gives us sharp vision. Falcons have two. One acts like a superpowered zoom lens for long-distance spotting. The other is built for high-speed tracking during a dive. Combined, their vision is around 2.5 times sharper than ours. From over a kilometer away, a falcon can lock onto a pigeon and never lose it, even while falling faster than a race car. At 300 kilometers per hour, air pressure could dry or damage the eye. So falcons use a third eyelid, the nictitating membrane. It's like a built-in windshield wiper that protects the eye while still keeping their vision crystal clear. Even the shape of their face is engineered for speed. Those little cones in the nostrils, they slow down the incoming air, just like the air restrictors used in jet engines, so the falcon can breathe easily during a dive. Their brain processes visual information so fast that even during a 300+ kilometers per hour dive, they can track every twitch, flap, and change of direction from their prey. This makes them one of the most precise hunters ever evolved. When they finally reach the target, they don't grab, they punch. A mid-air strike delivered with talons while traveling at highway speed. The accuracy required for that all starts with their eyes. Speed is impressive, but speed you can see. That's super. Peregrine falcons' eyes aren't just fast. They're one of evolution's greatest masterpieces. And that's why this bird has the fastest eyes in the animal kingdom.